Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android version and that you have enough storage. This avoids mid-process failures. Open your Files app or a trusted file manager you installed. You need a place to view the zip. Once done, navigate to Downloads, your email attachments, or the cloud folder where the zip sits. Make sure the file name ends with zip so you know it's the right type. Now tap the zip once to select it and prepare to extract. You'll now extract the archive. Tap the zip and choose Extract or Open with an Archiver app if prompted. This tells Android to decompress. Next, pick a destination folder, internal storage for speed, or an SD card to save space. Select Create Folder if you want organization. Press Extract and watch the progress indicator. Larger archives take longer. When extraction finishes, browse the destination to verify files opened correctly and that no entries are missing or corrupted. Finally, open the extracted files using the appropriate apps, images in a gallery, PDFs in a reader, or APKs only if you trust the source. If extraction fails, make sure the zip completed downloading and isn't corrupt. Try re-downloading or using a different Archiver app. If the device still struggles, free up storage, restart Android, and then re-attempt extraction. One key troubleshooting tip: if a single file won't open, re-extract just that file or check permissions for the destination folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.